Good morning, family, friends, fishermen. Simple Yak here, and today we're doing just that, keeping it simple. I'm almost to the kelp here in Redondo Beach. It's finally starting to feel like spring. It's a warm morning, absolutely no wind, super easy glass lake-like water right now. Hoping to find a couple bass in the kelp, and then it's rockfish season as of 3 or 4 days ago, so maybe go find the Palawan wreck, stop by the Redondo Artificial Reef on the way home if conditions allow, drop some jigs down, see if we can't find some tacos to bring home to the family. Anyways, thanks for being here with Simple Yak. Hope you're learning and laughing along the way. Well, let's go see what happens. You! Cowabunga, baby! Woo! Yes! Woo! Giant. It's a giant. Woo! I am decided. GoPro, start recording. Sand bass? Heck yeah, good one too. Nice. Easy, buddy. Easy. Damn, that's a fat bass. It's actually a fat bass, dude. Nice. Nice. Let's go. Should we measure? 14 keeper. All right, bud. Thanks for the play. How not to handle your bass. But dang, that was a good one to start. Holy crap. I wonder if we can still keep those or not. I'm about to check the regulations. Well, that was honestly first cast, and I was just blind casting into nothing too. Nice, dude. Looks like there's a lot of stuff right here, to be honest. And I did not have enough drag. Well, let's just go back there. How to Tip Wrap by Jack Robinson. Water's really murky right now. Could use some dark colors and some flashy vibes. Hell yeah, dude, that's a good bass. Hopefully that's not the first cast curse right there, where you catch one on your first cast and then nothing else the rest of the day. I'll show you what I'm using. Got a little Damiki axe blade with the kicker collab, the mint to be color. Got my Johnny Morris CarbonLite 710 medium heavy, and my Fathom 200 low profile left-handed reel. It's got 30-pound braid on it to a 25-pound Blue Label Seagar fluoro leader, and we're just tossing in the kelp right now. I'm gonna throw this around until I snag a little bit, and then we'll go to something a little more weedless. But man, the freaking chart has been lit up all morning. Just going with the really slow roll retrieve. Trying to keep it just off the bottom so we're not getting kelp like that. This lure has a treble hook, and that's a fish. Go, press start recording. Just like that. Oh yeah, pull, baby. Keep him out of kelp. Ooh, Calico. Calico. Dang, dude. Axe blade. Let's go. You. That's a good sized bass too, dude. Wow. Wow, dude. Heck yeah. Let's go. We're freaking on them right now, man. They're stacked up right here. Yeah, 14. It's a couple of 14. There, send them.
What is the 5 fingers?
Send them out there, patty cake.
What?
I just hate dropping them in the boat and then watching them hurt themselves, so get them back out there. Anyways, baby, you saw them on the slow retrieve. And with these long rods, I cannot stop freaking tip wrapping, man. Dennis would be laughing at me so hard right now. Oh my gosh. Miss you, bro. I'll see you for your birthday in a couple weeks. But let's see, man. That Damiki axe blade, it's been working, meant to be, as you can see. I think that's kind of like back-to-back casts almost. But let's mark this spot. Back. And then let's just keep going. If it ain't broken, fix it. Nice low retrieve. Let the blade do the work. Such a beautiful morning.
William, knife man.
Dang, dude, we're on. Baby one this time. Oh yeah, but he's fighting. Look at him. Look at him go. Let's go. Woo! 3 cast 3 fish, dude. Oh man. Treble hook, so tough there. Beautiful, huh? Danger domes. Sketch! See ya. Dang, dude. The bass bite right now is so sick. Wow. Yes. Oh man, now we're fishing. Now we're fishing, and it is beautiful. Absolutely bugs out. Alright. So yeah, let's check our line. No phrase. We got our Damiki and Kicker collab, meant to be axe blade right there, 3/4 ounce on the Johnny Morris CarbonLite 710 medium heavy, and my Fathom 200 30-pound braid 25-pound fluoro. We're just gonna stick in this little spot. I think that's like 3 right off the bat. And we're just slow rolling it, nice and easy. They keep coming up and grabbing it, nice and easy. And we don't have to set the hook too bad on this because they're big treble hooks. Been sticking them. I'm starting to drift into a little deeper water. I think I'm going to turn around and try to get myself back into that little nook right there. How are we looking? Beautiful. I don't know if you can see that in the water right there. But look at how that blade just does all the work for you. So good. Alright, one more cast, then we'll try to get back into that drift. Seems to be the right spot. Apparently getting out an hour earlier is the key. Thank God for night shift and terrible sleeping habits. Oh man, I have not seen my fish finder this lit up, I think ever. We are in home. I'm gonna yank this one out of the water though. It's gonna be another small one. Oh no, he came off. No, he did not yank him. Oh, dang it. Too excited. Honestly, you just need a reel set with this one. You don't need to really set. GoPro, start recording. No! Shit. Just missed 2 in a row. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. Hitting me way out there. Feels like a decent one. Sound bounce, dude. Buried that hook in his mouth. Look at that, baby. Woohoo! Let's go! Butter pecan, baby. Butter pecan. Freaking choke it. Freaking choke it, dude. Let's see. 14, dude. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get you out of here. Let me get you going, buddy. Alright. Thanks for playing, man. That was awesome. Heck yeah. Let's go, baby. Woo! Let's go. Let's go, baby. Woo! 4 really good sized bass today already. That was a while in between though. Been slow rolling on the ground. Alright. Well, as you all know, on my old faithful here, old reliable, the Tranx 201 HG, my Johnny Morris CarbonLite 7.9 heavy with a Cosmos 1 ounce neck breaker. That's a 5/0 BKK hook with a PK5 Baitfish booty spin. So dude, the booty spins have been working like a charm for me out here in the kelp these days. Kind of over it sometimes. Some days they want only paddles, some days they only want blades, but I have to say the blades, they have wanted the blades more than the paddle tails lately, and it has been freaking fantastic. Let's go. If you haven't already tried them, go to kickerfishing.com, get that PK5, PK3 booty spins. I'm telling you, they work. Oh man, beautiful. Love it. GoPro, start recording. All Calico. You. Easy one, small one. On the PK5 Baitfish booty spin, 1 ounce war breaker. Good looking bait. Look at that bait. Look at that booty spin working, baby. GoPro, start recording. Stay, please. Come on. Come on. Good. First one on the A-rig, baby. Go stay, please. Woo! That's a lot of casting. Finally. Finally. You took my bait. Oh my god. Come on. Easy now. Pretty punky in here. How about that, baby? You! Finally, man, on the A-rig. Warbaits War rig. Let's go! Yoo! Pretty colors. Nice and blue. Alright, baby. You hit the middle one, too. Interesting. Interesting. Alright. It's on the Warbaits War rig. 5 arms. I got 2 3/4 ounce neck breakers with PK3 booty spins on the bottom. I think I got a 1/4 ounce or a 1/2 ounce head in the middle, and I had a Keitech swim bait on and hit the swim bait instead of the blades. And that's on the Daiwa Lexa 400 left-handed T-wing and the Phenix M1 Inshore 7.9 heavy. And man, it feels good to finally get one on that. Man, they're biting everything today. Today's been an absolutely amazing day. Thanks for being here with Simple Yak. Hope you're learning and laughing along the way, and I'll see you in the next one. You. GoPro, start recording. Make me eat my words, baby. Yeah, I need to fix this reel seat. Reel clamp. Let's go. Tiny ones on the ones nonetheless. Smaller ones, but they're getting the A-rig finally. Let's go. Right when I was like, you're never gonna catch anything in this gnarly freaking water. Water just turns super red and nasty. Oh my gosh. They'll get bigger. That's a lot of bass today, dude. I think I've had 6 or 7 bass. Caught 3 on my first 3 casts. 2 were 14-inch keepers. Guess they still are feeding in this nasty water. Giving them some thump to help find the bait. Yeah, hit one of the PKs on that one that time. Couldn't resist the flash. Alright. And that's on the Warbaits War rig. 2 3/4 ounce neck breakers on the bottom with PK3 booty spins, and a 1/4 ounce in the middle with the Keitech. I just kind of had to Frankenstein something together with what I have. See a lot of bait running around in here right now. I'm just going to put the gas down. See if we can't grab whatever's running around right here. I think it's bait and smelt though. I don't know if you can see that, but man, it looks really good. All the vibration, all the flash. Look at all effectively 4 willow blades going with a swim bait in the middle. Oh yeah. With murky water, you want that thump, that vibration, that reflection of the sun to help draw them in. Man, got 2. I was just drifting on the outside of the kelp here. It's almost a full low tide. A nasty red tide going too, so just gonna keep doing this along the kelp edge until I get to the beach club, and then I'm gonna head in, go get some tacos. It's been a hell of a day fishing, and I love it. I think I could stop on some Redondo Beach artificial reef, but I think I'll save that for next week. I'm having too much fun here in the kelp. Anyways, let's see if we can get back-to-back casts here. Just been hucking it. We've been learning thumbing the spool. Can't take your thumb off that spool. You're gonna backlash. I've had 2 gnarly backlashes with this reel today, my first ones. I really like this rod. The only thing is, it doesn't really fit the reel seat. So there's a little side-to-side play, even after using electrical tape to kind of stuff it. So I'm gonna have to get a reel clamp for this, or downsize to a Lexa 300, which I wouldn't mind doing. I feel like 300 would be fine. Old bazooka, baby. Making sure we're checking our baits after every cast. We are in the kelp. There's a little rock structure up here. And kind of drift over the top of it. That'll probably be the rest. Good day. We might stop by the reef on the way back. We'll see. I got out here an hour earlier than I usually do, so I feel like I've been out here longer than I have been. GoPro start recording. Let's go. Decent one. Decent one. See if you're coming. Woo! Let's go. That's the biggest of the day. Woo! Let's go. On the Warbaits War rig, baby, with a couple PK3s. Woo! That's the good one right there, man. Let's go. All day. All day. 14 on the dot. Let's go. Yo! Wow, dude. Look how big this guy is. Let's go. Man, tacos galore. Go get bigger for me, buddy. I don't even know which one you hit. Oh, you hit one of the PKs. Let's go. Can't wait to re-rig these when I get home. Oh my gosh. Freaking stuck him too. That was a good one. Alright. That was in 10 foot of water too, super shallow. And that's on the Daiwa Lexa 400 with 65-pound braid to a 40-pound fluoro blue label cigar. Big angler clip, then the half-ounce Warbaits War rig. 2 3/4 ounce neck breakers, a couple PK3 booty spins, and a Keitech swim bait in the middle. Let's go. I was trying to get out of here, but man, that makes me want to kind of stick around. That was a good one. The biggest one I had all day. In the shallowest amount of water. Caught 3 on the A-rig today. Let's go. What a day of fishing, baby. What a day of fishing. Let's go back through one more drift and we'll call it a day. Wind's kind of coming up, but man, it has been a perfect day. All right, guys, the wind's kind of picked up a little bit. This nasty red tide has kind of come in. The water's all red, brown, super murky. I was able to get 3 on that last drift with the A-rig, the Warbaits A-rig, 2 3/4 ounce neck breakers on the bottom with PK3 booty spins on those, and a 1/4 ounce neck breaker in the middle with the Keitech Fat Swing Impact in the middle. I think next time I'm gonna switch to all 3 PK3s, or PK3 just paddle tail in the middle. Get them screw locked in there, because bird just grabbed a giant freaking smelt out of the water. Nice, good one. Anyways, it was a great day. I was catching them in on kind of everything. Like first 3 casts, caught some on the Damiki axe blade, meant to be color, the kicker and Damiki collab, which is pretty great. Got a couple bass on the Tranx 201 HG with a Johnny Morris CarbonLite 7.9 heavy, and then a 1 ounce Cosmos neck breaker with a PK5 booty spin, the Baitfish color. And that thing was my workhorse today. Caught a bunch of them on that. And I did miss 3 or 4. I caught a really big one and he took me into the kelp. So the moral of the story today is, if we needed to learn anything, it's really button down those drags if you're fishing in the kelp, especially if you're making those bomb casts like I was. I was casting like 50 yards, 40 yards, and really finding those lanes, because there was really no wind, no current, so I could really get in those lanes. Anyways, make sure you button down those drags, keep those fish out of the kelp, really get them in there, especially if you're bomb casting. Anyway, my family, my friends, my fishermen, I hope you had fun with me today, learning and laughing along the way. And yeah, next week we're going to be going for rockfish, I think. I think we'll mix it up. We'll go to the artificial reef, we'll go to the Palawan, and we'll just do some drops. Kind of boring, double dropper loops, or fish finder rigs, or squid treks, jigs, I don't know, kind of boring. If I don't like that, I'll move over to the kelp, try to find some bass too. Anyway, thanks for being here with me. And yeah, see you in the next one, boys. You!